Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel at Virtual House Tour. Again, I'm Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty. So for today's vlog, I'm here with Sir Janelle Bronya. So we will be featuring one of the projects here in Pampanga, which is the Las Palmeras Residences. So it is located where, sir?
Located po itong Las Palmeras Residences. Dito lang yan sa Benjamin Northville 9, Barangay Pandakaki, Mexico, Pampanga.
Yes. And how many hectares pala to, sir?
Ang total project area po natin is 57 hectares. But currently, Sir Alan, ang naka-open pa lang natin is phase 1.
Okay.
Because yung 57 hectares natin is divided into 4 phases.
Okay.
Okay, so ang phase 1 natin, kung saan tayo nakatayo ngayon, it's about 20 hectares at mga around 1,500 units ang itatayo natin dito, sir.
I see. And I believe Las Palmeras offers a lot of amenities.
Yes.
And what are those amenities, sir?
Marami, sir. Of course, meron tayong clubhouse resort. Okay. Nandyan yung tennis court natin, badminton court, basketball court, and I think this is the first ever subdivision na merong soccer field.
Oh. So what I love,
napaka-generous.
What I love about Las Palmeras is it offers generous open spaces and mga pangmalakasang resorts vibe, diba?
Correct. Kasi ang idea, sir, ng Las Palmeras, pag nandito ka inside the subdivision, nakakuha ka ng investment, your property, para kang pumasok sa isang villa resort subdivision.
Nice.
Because pagpasok mo pa lang, nandito na, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Parang ganun yung idea na ito, sir.
Yeah. Walking distance yung mga amenities.
Correct.
If you want to play tennis. Lalo na perfect siya sa mga sporty na mga homeowners, no?
Yes.
Just few minutes or few seconds away lang from your house, no? If you're really living here in Las Palmeras. So very accessible sa mga gusto nyong mga sports activities.
Yes, correct, Sir Alan.
Ayun. And ano ba yung mga house type dito? Mga in-offer natin, sir? And I believe they are ayan, behind our
Yes. Actually, Sir Alan, we have 3 models here.
Yeah.
As you can see, ito nga ongoing na po tayo. Launching of our model units will be around May or June.
Okay.
So ngayon pa lang ini-invite na natin lahat ng mga brokers, mga sellers natin, of course the investors, mga future buyers o homeowners natin dito sa Las Palmeras. We are offering 3 models here, sir. We have duplex model. We have single attached. And we have single detached.
Oh, nice.
So, marami tayong option, especially yung mga naghahanap ng mga maraming room na unit. So, we are offering 5 bedrooms dito sa pinakamalaki natin, which is the single detached.
And yun nga, when it comes sa single detached, it's I believe sa mga growing family talaga. Kasi imagine, it has 5 bedrooms, no?
Correct, sir.
So if you have like mga ilang kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, no?
So, especially sir, kung meron silang mga senior na kasama, di ba? Hindi na makakaakit yan eh. So, yung isang room natin, located siya sa baba.
Nice.
So that's the beauty about single detached.
So how many lot area meron ba yung single
Well,
detached?
ang single detached natin for regular unit, meron tayong 100 square meter. Okay. Sa single attached natin, meron tayong 80 square meter for the regular lot. And then sa duplex natin is 60 square meter.
Okay.
So lahat ng models natin, two toilet and bath na siya, sir. At mata-turn over siya. Naka-tiles na, may partition na tayo. Sa taas, naka-vinyl. And meron kanya-kanyang mga carport. So, lilipatan na lang, sir.
Yeah. Pero, from the name itself na Las Palmeras, parang yung branding natin dito is, meron kayong palm tree ba yan, sir?
Yeah.
Na every houses has this, what you call the palm tree.
Yeah, yun yung idea, sir, ng developer natin. Each unit na itatayo, meron kanya-kanyang mga palm trees. Kaya, pagpasok mo pa lang sa subdivision, makikita mo na yung parang, yun nga, yung villa vibes na subdivision.
Correct. Yeah. Ayun. So, we're excited to, go dito. So, as form of safety natin, we'll be wearing, ang tawag dito? Safety first na.
Safety helmets.
Safety.
Hard hat.
Ayan. Hard hat. So, together with us, we invited one of the engineers dito sa Las Palmeras, no? Sir Luke, so welcome.
Engineer Luke.
Can we go a little bit closer para at least makita natin it's not just about the looks but as well as the quality. Ano ba yung mga ginamit na materials dito, 'di ba?
Yes.
So, saan dito?
Kasama din tayo ni Engineer Mandy.
Sir Mandy, is with us as well. So, tara, let's go. Ayan. So, sir, our engineer, when it comes to the technical terms, so kami, we're licensed broker, di ba? So, ano ba yung mga ginamit nyong materials dito or technology kung bakit matibay or very premium yung quality natin?
So, ang tinatawag sa building system natin is flash wall.
Okay.
Flash wall. Main concept ng flash wall, informed formworks, which uses two FISM boards na naka-in-place na plastic molded paper. So, in place siya, it means na hindi natatanggalin yung forma. Yun na yung finish niya. Plus, yung in terms ng quality and also yung structural integrity, sasabi natin matibay yung flash wall kasi filled siya na concrete. Pure concrete as per structural requirements, which is 3,000 PSI and reinforced with rebars.
So sobrang tibay ba niya, no, sir?
Yes.
Every layer of concrete, tinetesting namin. Pupunta kami na sa testing center para matest kung papasa yung concrete.
I see. So, making sure that the deliverables ng mga units are really, very premium and quality. Ayun, thank you so much for explaining and discussing the technology behind
advantage ng flash wall sa finishing, mabilis tayo.
Yes.
Mabilis tayo.
Sa mga advantage nun is by using flash wall, we can create straight to finish panels.
Agad pintura tayo, wala na tayong plastering, wala na agad pintura.
Okay. So therefore, when it comes to turnover din, Sir Janelle, so kailan ba yung turnover ng mga units natin?
Well, we have the first batch inventory, which is target turnover natin will be around 2026, sir. Okay. Pero target ng management na mas earlier yung ma-turnover.
Kasi they've mentioned mabilis lang din gawin, no? So basically, what we promise to our clients, madedeliver talaga on time yung mga units natin or mga houses na binili nila sa atin. Thank you so much, engineers, for sharing the technology behind our houses dito.
And of course, Sir Alan, kung meron pa silang question, pwede naman silang kumontak sa atin. Diba? We can send them the actual presentation kung ano yung technology yung ginamit dito.
Yes, and also, sir, before we forget, mga how much ba yung introductory price natin? And I believe we have promotion right now for the first 100 clients natin, di ba? We offer discounts, tama ba, sir?
Actually, sir, ang target natin within this March, yung first 100 buyers natin, makakakuha sila ng as much as 150,000 discount. course, for ano yan, single detached. Sa ano naman natin, duplex natin, 75,000.
Okay.
And sa ating single attached is 100,000 discount.
Oh.
Okay? So, yung complete details, sir, para naman ma-excite sila. 30 sa makukuha nila. So, bigyan ko lang ng idea, sir, ha? 10% down payment. May terms tayo for 24 months.
Yep.
So, around 11,000 lang, sir. Meron na silang unit dito sa Palmeras.
Ganun ka-affordable yung
Yes.
mga units natin. And yun nga na, we're excited to share to you the detailed computation. So that's why you have to feel free to message us down below.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.
Yes.
And yun nga, we're excited to bring you home dito sa Las Palmeras Residences. Again, thank you so much, Sir Janelle and engineers, for being with us today. And yun nga, see you on our next house tour. Bye for now.